Good evening, Anjali. You are appearing for which interview on which date?
Sir, Federal Bank clerk interview on 7th November,
Acha, good. In which place?
Code region, sir.
Kozhikode region. Good, good, good. So, what is the degree you have studied?
BA English Language and Literature, sir.
Oh, today one candidate's interview questions have come. English questions. Did you see that?
Yeah, it was posted in the WhatsApp group. I did check out, sir.
Mhm. First question is tell about yourself. Tell me.
Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I'm Anjali Rose, a native of Wayanad. I'm a recent graduate in Bachelor's of English Language and Literature, which I completed in 2022. I earned the 9th rank in the University of Calicut for the same. Afterwards, I went on to pursue the KA's exam coaching for almost a year. Thereafter, I joined a dynamic startup called Owletter Technologies, wherein I worked as a copywriter and content writer. Now, coming to my family, we are a close-knit family of 5 members. My father, mother, and I have 2 siblings, an elder brother and a younger sister. Both of them are pursuing their education. And my interests include reading, writing, and singing. Sir, with these experiences and my academic excellence, I firmly believe that I am a well-rounded candidate for a position at Federal Bank. Thank you.
Good. So you said you have worked as a copyright and copy content writer for how many months?
So for 3 months.
Only. Would you like to tell about this?
Yes, sir. It was a
Okay.
startup, and I joined this firm for the role as a content and
What was the what
copywriter.
was the what was the what was the salary they were paying?
Sir, that was around 15,000, sir.
Good, very good. Not a bad sum. Where do you stay now?
I
Calicut.
am in Wayanad.
Why not? You are working from home?
No, right now I quit the job, sir,
Acha,
because I
acha.
had to prepare for this interview.
Excellent, excellent. That's nice. Um, Now, what is content writer? What is copyright writer? I don't understand fully. Can you tell me
Yeah,
about it?
sir, content writing is basically giving awareness to our the audience. For example, if I am giving awareness and educating my audience about a particular thing. Whereas copywriting is making someone or persuading someone to take an action. That is, it might be subscribing to their email or buying a product. So copywriters use words to make sure that the audience is taking an action when they read the copy. So that is the
Acha.
difference.
Yeah, content writing, I suggest you better tell about a particular product for which you have told people. For example, it may be Bisleri water, or it may be Reynolds pen, something like that, about what you have written. You have to tell it as an example.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Which which product did you try to write content writing for that?
Sir, are you saying to tell you an example?
Yeah, not an example. A product which you
From
have
my
done, which
experience, work
yeah,
experience,
yeah.
we had a wide range of products, from fashion products to kitchen accessories. There were a lot of dynamic products in the startup, so I used to work on each of them. So I used to write for all of.
You have to work on all of them.
Yeah,
Each of
I was
all,
the writer. I
yeah.
was the
No,
only
that
writer there.
no, even this answer is vague. Instead,
Okay, sir.
if you tell that our company was dealing in different type of products like kitchen and other equipments, you tell the name of the equipments. I was
Okay.
concentrating more on kitchen equipments. அப்படிதான் specific சொன்னா. If you tell that, that will be getting more weightage.
Okay, okay,
You
sir.
you must tell I was concentrating on kitchen equipments, more especially say pressure cookers or some I don't know என்னெல்லாம் இருக்குதோ items like that.
Okay, sir. Okay.
You must be specific when you are talking, especially because you are an English graduate.
Okay, sir.
Can you tell what are the skills you have?
Sir, I'm an effective communicator. I can talk well with people. I'm a good listener as well. I'm really empathetic. I am a self-motivated person and really goal-oriented as well. So, and a really hardworking and determined person who can achieve the targets set forth.
Excellent.
Then I can multitask, and I am also very efficient at time management. And
Good.
I'm a very fast learner, and I can adapt to any situation very easily.
Good. Can you tell me about your family?
Sir, my father is an assistant manager at Kerala Bank. My mother is a homemaker, and my elder brother is preparing for bank exams, and my younger sister is an engineering student.
Mhm. You said your father is a Kerala Bank or Kerala Gramin Bank.
Kerala State Cooperative Bank, sir.
Acha, acha. Correct, correct. Now, can you tell me if I think last time if you had told me, I would have advised you to study about that. Did you prepare about
Yes,
who,
yes, sir. I did
who is
prepare
the
for it.
cooperatives minister?
Oh, cooperative minister.
Minister in charge of cooperation in Kerala. And you please find out that. And then who
Okay,
is
sir.
minister in charge of finance? You know that Bala Gopal. Then
Again, Balagopal, sir.
Then regarding cooperative bank, where is its headquarters? How many branches are there? And who is the
Yeah,
chairman
sir.
of that?
I am
All
prepared
that
for it.
you are prepared for that? Please tell me
Yes.
about that bank.
Kerala Bank was formed in 2019. That was an amalgamation of 13 district cooperative banks. It is a fully government-owned uh, cooperative bank, and
Kerala
it is
government.
headquartered in
It is a
Kerala government.
mm,
It is
continue.
headquartered in Trivandrum, and later on in this year, Malappuram district also joined the Kerala Bank. It has almost 750 branches and 1,000 ATMs along the state. And the chairman of Kerala Bank is Mr. Rajan PS.
Good. What is your father in that?
My father is an assistant manager in a nearby branch.
Acha. What is the nature of work he has to do?
He has to manage the customers, then provide loans. He has to visit the sites, and he also has to assist the manager in all the works.
No, no. You must talk still more confidently on this question.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Now,
Yeah.
next question. What is the difference between that cooperative bank and federal bank?
Sir, cooperative bank is owned by the government, and it is under the Cooperative Banks Act. Whereas Federal Bank is a private sector bank, it is a commercial bank as well. Cooperative banks mainly focuses on rural development, while a bank like Federal Bank is mostly working for profit.
No,
Then
don't say this. If you say you are working for profit, of course they do work for a profit, but simply say it's a private limited bank, and
okay, so my
whereas that is a
first sentence
cooperative.
was the
But
same,
no,
sir.
no. But one thing you have to talk to your daddy. I am not sure about it. Please talk to your daddy to find out. I think that the ownership of the federal bank is with the shareholders
Yes,
and
yes,
the
sir.
other institutions. That's one. Number two, the cooperative bank, the ownership is mainly with the state government. And I think in
Yes, sir.
cooperative banks, there is a rule. Those people who are joining there, they must be owners of, they must take some shares. Are you aware of that?
No, sir.
Is it not
No,
a must
I don't.
that the customer must, one who is coming there must be a shareholder? That is what he must hold some shares. Is it not that like that? Let me check up.
I don't know
One,
about that, sir. I'll
one
ask
minute.
him.
1 minute. India, difference between cooperative bank and commercial banks. Just let us try this. If you talk to him, what is the difference between? No, I will show you. I expect a question like this for you.
Okay, sir.
Cooperative banking refers to the aspect of banking that deals with, sorry, cooperative, cooperative banking. Difference between commercial and cooperative banks. See, what are commercial banks? Will you please read this?
So, commercial banks are financial institutions that provide a range of banking services to individuals, businesses, and organizations. They are profit-oriented entities that operate on.
Maranjibacha. Maranjibacha. I mean, you are not
Yes.
able to see because
Yeah,
I wanted
I
to
can't.
share. I wanted to share this in our federal bank group. That's why
Okay.
I shared it now. Come here.
Yeah. Operate on a commercial scale. Commercial banks play a crucial role in the economy by facilitating financial transactions, promoting economic growth, and channeling funds between savers and borrowers. The primary functions of commercial banks include deposits, lending, payment services, foreign exchange services, investment and advisory services, trade finance. Commercial banks are subject to regulatory oversight by central banks, financial regulatory authorities, and banking regulators. They are required to maintain adequate capital reserves, adhere to regulations regarding liquidity, risk management, and consumer protection, and follow anti-money laundering and counter-terrorism financing guidelines. Commercial banks serve as an intermediary between savers and borrowers, promote economic activity, facilitate financial transactions, and provide essential banking services to individuals and businesses. Cooperative banks, also known as cooperative credit institutions or simply co-ops, are financial institutions that are owned and operated by their customers, who are also referred to as members.
But yeah, so this is
Yeah.
what I said.
Okay, sir.
I don't know why we are telling Kerala Cooperative Bank is owned by. I also heard it is by government, but this concept will be there that the people who are interacting, they will be members. Continue. These
Yeah.
banks.
These banks are established based on the principles of cooperation, mutual assistance, and democratic decision making. The primary objective of cooperative banks is to meet the banking and financial needs of their members while promoting their economic and social well being. Some of the key characteristics and features of cooperative banks include ownership and governance, focus on
Ah,
members.
this is the most important thing: ownership and governance. I think government will own some shares, but every member who is coming into transaction with them will become a shareholder. They will buy a share for 11 rupees, something like that. Continue. Focus
Member
on.
deposits, focus
Mm,
on members, member deposits, member loans and credit, social objectives, profit distribution, local focus, regulatory framework.
mm.
Cooperative banks are an essential part of the cooperative movement and contribute to inclusive economic development, empowering individuals and communities through access to financial services and cooperative principles.
Super. Continue.
Difference between
No, no.
commercial banks and
I am asking you to read because it is very important. That's why I'm asking you to read it. Will you read it afterwards? Please read it
yeah, yeah,
afterwards because
I'll
yeah, because
read it.
I'm losing time for asking
Yeah,
questions to you.
yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, next question for you. This is how it has happened in Coimbatore today. Very same questions. I'm asking
Okay,
you
sir.
only those questions. What is father's occupation? Some question related to that over. What you find about Federal Bank in your locality? Please tell me.
Sir, in my locality, there are 5 branches. in Wayanad. That is my district.
Please get to
So
know what
they
are
are
the what is the name of those branches.
Kalpetta, Meenangadi, Manandavadi, Sultan Batteri, and Padinyaratara. Those are the 5
Super,
branches.
super,
And
super.
they have 4 ATMs. One is in Kalpetta and the other 3 are in Sultan Batteri. I don't hold an account in Federal Bank, sir, so I haven't really visited.
But tell some good points about Federal Bank. That is, have you visited any of them?
No, sir, I don't have an account. And these are really far away from my hometown.
Then it is okay. Then it's okay. Then you don't have to visit. Now, please sell me any social services you have contributed.
No, sir.
Why, ma? You must
I
do
was not a
something.
part of.
No, I know. You must do something for society, like teaching some children or your servant maid's daughter, son, something like that, or um, going to some orphanage or old age home, some such service. You say, I am interested in doing it at least.
I have visited old age homes and orphanages, sir.
Acha? Orphanages.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You
And
tell them
there is
that
a
you tell them
special
that
school near
you
my
tell.
home.
Acha,
So I used to visit there as well.
you please tell them I used to visit that special school and read for children. And also I
Yeah.
used to go for the old age home and try to read books for the old people or something
Oh,
like that. Okay.
okay.
Those the positive points you should tell.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Sell me the pen. Supposing
Good morning,
you
sir.
have one
Yeah.
ball pen in charge. Imagine you are the marketing manager of that company. Sell.
Okay, sir. Hello, sir. Good evening. And I am the representative of ABC Company, and I am here to introduce you to a wonderful pen. This pen is known as Wonder Pen because this pen has a lot of specialties. It does not spill, it will give you smooth, fine writing, and the ink will last for almost 100 pages. So, what are you waiting for? Grab this right now for a offer of 30% off, and you can get it at a very cheap price, and the quality is exceptional. I can guarantee you that. So, what are you waiting for, sir? Are you buying it?
No. Here the mistake you did was you are asking what are you waiting for 2 times. Number two,
Yeah.
you did not tell about that the pen comes in different colors.
Okay, sir.
You could have told that point also, and you could have told some price amount, specific amount, and tell we give you 30% discount, 40% discount, something like that. And
Yes, sir.
that other than that, you told very well. I wish you best of luck and please attend the interview with confidence. Send the questions they are asking. Okay.
Sir, can you give me a feedback?
Yeah, you're done well. Why? I will
Yeah.
rate your, I will rate, though I asked you to read about cooperative bank. I wish they should not go in. If they don't ask about your daddy's occupation, that question will not come. If you do not tell
Yes,
cooperative bank, that question will not come. If you tell about cooperative bank, this question or some other related questions will certainly come. I wanted you to be fully prepared for that. That is
yes,
why.
sir.
In fact, I want you to ask your daddy to let you know what is the savings bank interest rate in that cooperative bank, what is the interest rate for a 1 year deposit, what are the different loans for which they are giving like this. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll talk to him
You did
and
well.
find it out.
My rating for what is your name?
Anjali.
Anjali. My rating for you will be somewhere around 8.5 to 9.5. It depends
Okay.
on, see, once you see, they see you in person, the smile you make, the the mannerisms you exhibit based on that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
God bless you. Why your voice seems to be more of concern or worry? Do you have more?
Sir, I have a cough and cold. I'm affected with that, which is why my sound is not so good.
That's okay. No problem.